Hi, this is Clifford from SM Driving School with another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be talking about how to hold the steering wheel correctly and how to steer the vehicle. There are two recommended steering methods. One is the hand over hand, which is good for parkings, and the other is the pull-push steering method. In this video, we'll be focusing more on the pull-push steering method. Imagine the face of a clock, where you have 12, 3, 6 and 9 o'clock position. Place your hands in a 2:45 position or 9:03 position. I can reach the wiper and indicator easily without taking my hands off the steering wheel and make small directional changes smoothly and gradually. There is an airbag in the steering wheel. For safety reasons, it's best to keep your hands away from the path of the airbag in the event it deploys. To hold the steering wheel, place your palms on the rim of the steering wheel and your thumb facing towards you. Hold the wheel with a light grip. Don't wrap your thumbs around the wheel. In the event of an accident or a crash, the steering wheel may spin sharply and you injure your thumb. Use only your thumb and index finger to control the steering wheel. Hold the wheel lightly, but be ready to tighten your grip if necessary. Slide your palms up and down just to get the feel of the steering wheel. Let's start the pull-push method. Left turn. Start the turn with the pull rather than the push because it gives better directional control. Slide the left hand up to 12 o'clock position on the wheel. The starting point will depend on the sharpness of the bend or the turn. Pull the wheel down with the left hand. As the left hand pulls down, allow the rim to slide through the right hand palm and fingers. Once the left hand is level with the right at the 9:03 position, start sliding the right hand until it nears the bottom of the wheel or at the 7:05 position. If more turn to the left is required, start feeding or pushing up with your right hand and at the same time, slide the left hand up the wheel, keeping it level with the right. Repeat these movements until you achieve sufficient turn. Now I'm going to do a right turn using the pull-push steering method. Slide the right hand up to the 12 o'clock position on the wheel and pull the wheel down with the right hand. As the right hand pulls down, allow the rim to slide through the left hand palm and fingers. Once the right hand is level with the left at the 9:03 position, start sliding the left hand until it nears the bottom of the wheel or at 7:05 position. If more turn to the right is necessary, start feeding or pushing up with the left hand and at the same time, slide the right hand up the wheel, keeping it level with the left. Repeat this movement until you achieve sufficient turn. To straighten the vehicle after the turn, feed the wheel back through the hands with similar but opposite movements to those used for the turn. If you still struggle with steering, watch this video again to understand the hand movements. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell for new and old videos, as it helps other people find us. Stay safe and drive safely out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.